What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Fox Den, and we're gonna start off to this vlog. We have fucking Christmas lights, a Moogie's G, and we're going around, and I'm helping them out get shots. And if you want to see more of that, make sure you check out their channel at Chicago Lane Changers, because obviously this vlog is going to be installing its intake, but I had to put this in the video. This is just duct tape. It's just great.
You know, it's cold as hell. You know what I'm saying? Chicago is fucking weird, brother. But if you guys want,
two nice ass G's. Dude, we pulled up and they were all looking at your car, man. Yeah. People are assholes in Orland. It didn't quite turn out how we wanted, but I still think you should post it because the idea is funny. He'll get views. But tomorrow we're gonna install the intakes.
I have them in my truck. I can't open the trunk.
Yeah, as you can see, that's not really a thing.
Yeah, I know.
But
I'll be. Don't worry. We'll record the vlog for tomorrow.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
Yeah.
Shout to my dog, so Fox already know. Go give him a little subscribe. Is it your vlog?
Huh?
Is it your vlog?
Yeah, I'm gonna put some of this.
So
in
yeah,
there. Yeah. So we'll show you guys some tips on how to install these and go from there. So, you guys, a little bit of night vlog. We are on top of my favorite parking garage to come out to. Trying to get some pictures. This camera's acting up right now with the pictures. I'm not sure what's going on with that. They're all coming out blurry, like the camera can't move at all. So I have to look into that. But yeah, so Moogie was kind of bummed with the video. I really hope he does post it because it's still funny. I mean, like, and people are gonna view it. That's what I'm trying to tell him. But anyway, it's absolutely freezing up here. I'll show you guys what this place looks like at night. It's pretty cool. Oh yeah. Man, my hands are like frozen off. My hands are like frozen off right now. So I'm gonna head home, and tomorrow morning we will work on Moogie's intakes. Good morning, guys. It's the next morning. It's about 10 to 9. So Moogie's going to be coming in about an hour. We also have another special guest coming from the Fox Pack meet. He will also be coming to join the fun. So I have to get this garage cleared out so there's some room to walk around over here and stuff, and get this car out, get the G out of the way. Get the blue turd out of here, and I gotta take that leaf blower and blow out all the shit off the floor, and then get the furnace going, which I did repair finally, and we will work on Moogie's intakes once he gets here. Hopefully, I mean, I know how to do it. I've done it before, but there's this one bolt on this car that I'm really concerned about, so we'll have to see. But anyway, I gotta get rolling here. We'll see you guys when I get it cleaned up. Alright, guys, got it cleaned up as much as I could. You may notice we have better lighting. We hooked up an LED light up here, so I have much better camera lighting, and we'll also have good lighting for when we work on the cars right here. So that'd be cool. And we do plan on getting more of this LED lighting throughout the garage. This is kind of experimental, but I like how it is, so we're gonna add more. So yeah, it cleans up pretty nice. There was a time when this garage was wide open to the point where you can pull a car in sideways. We have the furnace on full blast, warming up in here, so that's great. And Moogie will be here probably in about half an hour, 45 minutes, so we will see you guys then. All right, so it is the next day. We have started a lot already. If you want to see that, check out Moogie's video. So we're about to unbox the intakes and get them in. We have to do the trimming still, which is a pain in the ass, but it's a slow process. It eventually gets there. So let's show you guys this unboxing.
So we got the filter right here. Beautiful. Wait, do these connect to that? Are they do? Oh, I thought they connect with each other.
They bolt onto something in there. I forget what it is. I remember what it is.
We got that. And the tubing should be down here. Yeah. Tubing right there. Yeah, fuck you, asshole.
There. You can hang that on your wall.
Yeah. Fucking dumbass. Hey, Billy send you a fucking photo of him getting his fucking teeth fucked by a dentist. Oh, that's what that's on?
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mixed them up, yeah.
When's the last time you took off your bumper? Sport bumper. Oh.
Sport bumper. You guys, intakes are on, first fire up. We're just gonna make sure there's no check engine light or anything like that. Oh shit! What? We did it again.
Oh, the fog light?
Yeah.
Did I call the car?
No, I moved it. You're good. Fuck.
That's too red, dude.
Stand it. Huh? Stand it. Take it up to the rev limit wide open. Fucking loud up here.
Oh, fucking good.
Alright guys, so we're about to put the bumper back on. We're not quite out of the woods yet. But once, that's the last thing, and then we can take it for a rip. Alright, we got the intakes in.
That's good.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy shit!
You feel that top end?
Oh my god! Dude, what the fuck? So much better than the fucking short rims. my god! You sort of hear how it's gonna sound like from the fucking like camera.
Yeah.
Holy shit, man! What the fuck?
You hear the growl at like around 2,000?
That's fucking crazy.
Just driving around normal, you can hear the growl at 2,000.
Dude, what?
It's so fucking loud out
Is it really loud?
Yeah.
That's not.
Can I hear it?
Yeah.
Holy shit. Holy fuck!
That sounds fucking dope.
Is this oh.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Listen to it with headphones.
Yeah.
Is it really that loud?
Dude, it's very, very loud. Like, I'm not just saying that to hype you up, it's actually very
Can I
loud.
send this to you?
Yeah. Go.
Dude, like, you can fucking feel it, dude. Like, I'm
The
like,
top end?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm like, what the fuck? Feel it just wanting to go. Dude, it is so cool. It's so much better, honestly, than the short rims. Don't even think about getting the short rims. Short rims are complete shit. And I don't appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.
Fuck
Holy
yeah, dude.
shit, bro. Dude, that's fucking nuts.
Oh, it's not bad. Like, even I can tell the top end is there.
Dude, it's just like fucking rips. What the fuck?
All right, we'll see you, man. You guys, that is Moogie from Chicago Lane Changers. We just finished the installation of the Stillen Gen 3 intakes. He's real happy with them. If you guys are on the line about these intakes, highly recommend picking them up. I love mine, and he loves his. It gives you so much more top end. Just a great overall mod for the G. That's gonna wrap up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at SilverFoxG37. Don't forget to follow our new racing club at SilverFox Racing Group. And don't forget to check out Moogie and Chicago Lane Changers. Make sure you subscribe and follow them on Instagram, because they'll have a vlog on this too. He did film more than I did, so because I was kind of hard to film for me because I was kind of in it more, you know, so a little bit hard to film. But if you want to see more of it, check out his video, and channel link and his video for this installation will be in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and join the Fox Pack today. Don't forget to drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it. We want to get the likes up, because that's going to bump us up in the search category. So love you all. You guys are doing great. We're growing at a very, very fast speed. This is going to be awesome. We got so much more to come. We got so much more to work on over the winter, and it's going to be awesome. Remember, life is too short to stay stuck, and it's only legal if you get caught. Stay foxy.